In the quiet hours of early morn, a soft melody begins to form. Your smile lingers like a whispered tune in the hush of a waking afternoon. Every glance sparks a tender light, illuminating dreams in the gentle night. I pen these words with all